Check it out, the headboard. Now, a couple of things I'm going to let you know. First of all, instructions are very thorough, very simple to put together. One of the things I did like about it, that has a lot of safety features, especially against the wall and in the bottom of the actual frame. Now, this is actually a queen size bed, but they have different sizes, different phases. Now, I like this headboard because it does have some material right here. You could decorate your favorite things. For example, we got our Pokemon cards, bonsai tree, our games, our books, our favorite things. Now, one of the best things I like about it, it comes with an actual controller. So not only is it going to control to the solid lights, if you guys can see solid lights, I'm going to try to go through all of them here. But they're also changing colors. There's different modes on it. So this is more like a flashing mode. Different modes, fade. So this could also be used as a night light. So it gives a room a nice, beautiful ambiance. All right, so if you're looking for a great headboard, simple to install, this is your universal headboard. That means you can install pretty much on any type of material. If it's wood or metal, they give you the tools, the actual frame part of it that connects to marries to the system itself. And this is perfect for any bed. It could be for your kid, for yourself. And on top of that, I'm going to show you something very awesome that I like about this thing. One important thing is that you have two connections here for power. One USB type A, and then you have a USB type C. Now the type A, I'm plugging in currently the actual lights that house the actual LED lights that are located underneath. Now these are perfect for just for yourself or for anybody, or if you're gaming and you want to change the ambiance to different colors, you can do that too. And like I said, if you set up a demo, it's going to play out different modes. If you guys are looking for a great headboard, check this out.